Let's look at horizontal and vertical lines and what they're called on a graph. Every coordinate has two parts. It has an x and a y element. If we look at these coordinates, hopefully we notice a connection. In this case, the x part of every coordinate is 2. If we plot these, they form a vertical line parallel to the y-axis. And with every coordinate, x being 2, the coordinate or the line on this graph is called x equals 2. If we have a look at this, we can try to work out the coordinates on the graph. If I choose a point, 1, 2, 3, 4 along, and I'm not moving up and down, so the coordinate of that one is 4, 0. Let's choose another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 along, 2 down. Coordinate of the red point is 4 minus 2. What do these have in common? Well, the x value is 4, and anywhere along that line the x value will be 4. So the coordinate of this line is, the equation of this line is x equals 4. Using this information, have a go at the other 3 lines on the graph. Are these the answers you got? Here we're looking at another example. What do these have in common? Y is the same. So we'd expect the graph to be y equals 1, because in every coordinate the y value is 1. And plotting the graph, we now have our horizontal line, y equals 1. Notice the horizontal line is parallel to the x-axis, and the x-axis is where y equals 0. This can seem quite confusing because the x-axis is where y equals 0 and the y-axis is where x equals 0. Have a go at these. Pause the video if you need some time. Looking at the top line, I can choose a couple of coordinates, here and here. And the first one, I've gone along 1, 2 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 5. So that must be 2, 5. In the second point, I've gone along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 5. These are 2 of the coordinates on the line, and what do they have in common? Y is the same, so y equals 5. And the other lines, you should have y equals 3, y is minus 2, and finally y equals minus 5. Finally, sometimes looking at the coordinates, you will see a connection. In these coordinates, there is the same connection in each part. The y value is always 2 less than x. So we could write a connection between these two coordinates by writing y as x take away 2.